how to create a Game Pass and please donate. So if you want to create a Game Pass and please donate, what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, what you need to do is go with your browser. Once you're in a browser, you just need simply go with the Roblox. Make sure that you've logged into your Roblox. Now, before entering into please donate, you need to first create a Game Pass, right? So to create a Game Pass, what you need to do is just simply go with the create section, which will be on the top left. And once you're on your create here on the left side, you will find an option of home. Make sure that you're on your home and then scroll down and you will have an experience. So you need to click on the experience. Once you click on it, it will take it to your place. Make sure that you have a public place. And once you have your place, you need to just go with the left side, scroll down a bit, and under the monetization section, you will have passes. You need to click on passes. And from the passes, you need to go and create a pass. So click on create pass, and then you'll need to enter your name, an image if you want to, and then the description. You can add any description that you like, and then go with create pass. Once you've created your pass, you will have the pass right here. So after creating, you need to click on that pass and it will take you to the settings of that pass. You need to go with sales, which will be on the left side, and under sales, you need to turn on the toggle for item for sale and then enter the default price. And after entering, make sure that you enable regional pricing if you want to, and then go with save changes, which will be on the bottom. And that's it. Your pass has now been activated, right? Once you've activated your pass, you need to go back, open up your Roblox application. After opening the application, you need to just go with search, and under search, you need to go with please donate. So I'll just show you an example. You just need simply go with your app and then just search for please donate, and you'll find the please donate, right? So you need to just click on it and then enter into please donate. You'll have a play button right here. You need to click on the play and you'll be entered, or you'll be inside the please donate. Once you launch the please donate game, once you're in, walk up to an empty stand and claim it by just pressing the button. After claiming it, you should see the new donation button you just created. For example, the 250 Robux button or the 100 Robux button that we made earlier. And the other players will be able to click on it and donate it to you. That's how you can create a Game Pass and please donate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.